right, that was Rafael Sanchez reporting there from Morgan County. Big question now in our weather. What can we expect here these next few days? It was great to have some sunshine today.
Have you been out this evening too? You can feel the change. That was the front that moved through the area, and we started to knock out all of this water vapor. That high amount of humidity is in a gas form. That's where we get the measurement, the dew point. And at one point, we were measuring that available to a thunderstorm was about 2 to 2.5 inches of water. So what it can do is act on this high level of humidity. Kind of imagine like a wet rag and then squeezing and all that water coming out of there. We just continued to do that over and over and over again. This barrage of heavy storms, thunder, lightning, wind gusts, cloud to ground lightning strikes, vivid lightning shows. We've been able to break that pattern, at least for the time being. The waters are high even on the canal tonight, but the temperatures are comfortable and the dew points are going down. It is a refreshing feel here, 1 week removed from when this all started to lock in. Temperature here in Lawrence is at 69 degrees and the radar is quiet. A few scattered thunderstorms developed ahead of that wind shift, and a wind shift to the north and west is what occurred. So we've had some rainfall, especially in the last 24 hours south and west. A few more downpours here and there, but it became less widespread Sunday night compared to where we were at all week long. The 6-day rainfall numbers are just eye-catching, breathtaking, and just really frustrating to see how much real estate has been inundated by all of this rain. All of this water is working its way downstate. That's why the creeks and the streams and the riverbeds have been out of their banks, and they will be for days. But some of the peak crests now are working their way southbound. The 6-day rainfall tallies here included double-digit numbers, so you've got an entire Delaware County, Henry County, Randolph County under some big rains. Now the airport in Muncie at 7.98 inches. You go to the south end of Delaware County, those numbers went up. 3.15 inches in Indianapolis in that span, but these were the top totals across the nation from this storm total, and it was in the state of Indiana. Springport, Tipton at 12 inches plus. Over a foot of rainfall in Winnemac, Modoc, Newcastle at 12.7, and just shy of 13 inches in Farmland. When you add up at least the 3 top months of the year, that's as much rainfall we get in our highest, wettest months of the year annually in a matter of a week. Temperature right now is a comfortable 68 in Muncie. The wind out of the north and west at 68 in Kokomo. These numbers are coming down, and that's huge because drier, more comfortable air is moving in. We say so long to these dew points that ran as high as 75 to nearly 80. That is as tropical as it gets. Wind is north at 8 miles per hour. The hot dome has retreated, and that's allowed this front to make its way southbound. Now, there are new returns and elements on the radar off to our north and west. There's another front that's coming. That'll actually bring the next chance for showers and thunderstorms in by Wednesday. But this area of high pressure slides east. The hot dome and the heat alerts are off to our south and west, and this is permitting, at least with this retraction of the hot dome back to the west, to allow this northwesterly flow to come in and dig a little deeper and allow these fronts to get a little further east, and that's bringing this cool off. The next wave will be in here by Wednesday. That's the one that will bring us a chance for showers and thunderstorms. But before we get there, a really refreshing start to the day. If you are out early tomorrow morning, you're going to find many locations in the middle 50s. And perhaps the coolest temperature here in Indianapolis in a couple of weeks. The last 2-3 weeks, we've only had a low temperature of about 64 degrees. We could beat that tonight. Tomorrow, full-on sunshine, a gorgeous day. Temperatures will top out in the upper 70s to lower 80s, low levels of humidity, but a southwest wind will come in again tomorrow night, and that means the chances for some showers and thunderstorms may return after midnight or early into the morning hours on Wednesday. Wednesday may start off with a quick, hard-hitting downpour or thunderstorm, but it doesn't look to be long-lived. Certainly could get some downpours and some measurable precipitation there, but it will not be long-lived. That'll be a quick-hitting rain on Wednesday, and we will continue to drive in the milder air for the next several days and really limit the rain chances. These two machines here suggest that over the next 7 days, it's going to be a lot harder to come by in terms of the big rainfall numbers. So we're seeing this improvement on the horizon, and we'll really experience a great night with a low of 63, cooler outlying. Really refreshing, comfortable start to the day. There may be some patchy areas of dense fog, but then we'll brighten up to 82 degrees. Shower and thunderstorm chances return as perhaps as early as daybreak Wednesday, but the mild weather pattern will continue into the weekend. Maybe a few showers around on Saturday, but overall, no really threatening big-time heavy thunderstorm complexes, or the pattern that we've been in for the next several days.